The Husqvarna X-Force Chainsaw. Guide bar is a high-performance component designed for optimal use with Husqvarna chainsaws, available in various lengths from 20 inches. It features a 0.325-inch chain pitch and a 1.5mm chain gauge, constructed from laminated lightweight materials, with a sprocket nose and Husqvarna small mount type. The X-Force bar is engineered for durability, reduced weight, and superior cutting performance. When paired with Husqvarna's X-Cut chains, its optimized design, including a smooth profile, robust nose and bearing system, and an efficient center plate, minimizes downtime. The Husqvarna X-Force Chainsaw Guide Bar is designed for professional use. The Logmax 2000T is a powerful and versatile harvester head. Designed for efficient thinning operations, it boasts a maximum feed speed of 4 ms, a maximum feed force of 14.8 Nm, and a maximum cut capacity of 410 mm, equipped with 4 delimbing knives, and compatible with a maximum saw bar length of 480 mm. The 2000T delivers exceptional performance and reliability in demanding forestry environments. The Logmax 2000T features improved drivability with enhanced hydraulics. For demanding applications, this harvester head is designed for increased productivity and efficiency in thinning operations, making it a valuable asset for forestry professionals. The Vermeer BC 1500 Brush Chipper is a powerful machine, equipped with a 130 horsepower Cummins T4F engine, capable of handling material up to 15 inches in diameter. Its 2.5-inch diameter drum, featuring 2 double-sided knives, provides efficient chipping performance. The vertical feed rollers with a maximum and a 270-degree rotating discharge system enhance productivity and convenience. The BC 1500 incorporates numerous safety features, including an emergency stop button and a pinch point guard on the in-feed table, ensuring operator safety during operation. The BC 1500 is designed for demanding applications, offering exceptional durability and a long service life. The STIHL MS462 is a high-performance chainsaw designed for professional use, powered by a 72.2 cc engine that delivers 5.9 horsepower. It offers exceptional cutting power for demanding applications. This chainsaw features STIHL M-Tronic for optimized engine performance, an anti-vibration system to reduce operator fatigue, and a lightweight design for improved maneuverability, with a recommended bar length of 25 inches and a 3/8 RS3 chain pitch. The MS462 is a powerful and efficient tool for a wide range of forestry tasks. The MS462 is built to withstand the rigors of professional forestry work, making it a reliable and durable tool. MS462 is a top choice for professional arborists. The Dipperfox SC850 Pro is a powerful stump grinder designed for use with 14 to 30-ton excavators with a cutting diameter of 33.5 inches and a drilling depth of 35.4 inches. It efficiently removes stumps up to this size, requiring a hydraulic flow of 29 to 61 GPM and a pressure of 3,455-5,076 PSI. The SC850 Pro boasts a patented gear changing mechanism for optimal performance and features boltable blades and a replaceable center screw for easy maintenance. The SC850 Pro is designed for high productivity and efficiency in stump removal operations. Its robust construction and durable components ensure long-lasting performance. The John Deere H219 head is a robust forestry tool designed for efficient timber harvesting. It's equipped with powerful feed motors that adjust to the size of the tree, ensuring smooth processing of both straight and crooked timber. The H219 features efficient delimbing capabilities, even with large diameter trees. Its robust construction and versatile applications, including final felling and eucalyptus debarking, make it a valuable asset. For forestry professionals, the John Deere H219 harvester head is a high-performance forestry tool designed for efficient timber harvesting. It features powerful feed motors and robust construction. The Pottinger H7. Harvester head weighs 1,150 kg without the rotator and link. It features 4 front delimbing knives with a maximum opening of 640 mm and 1 rear knife with a maximum opening of 750 mm. The head requires a maximum operating pressure of 28 megapascal and a recommended pump capacity of 320 liters per minute. These specifications highlight the Pottinger H7's robust design and powerful performance, enabling efficient handling of various tree sizes in demanding forestry conditions. The Pottinger RCU 120 is a compact and powerful, remote-controlled tracked carrier equipped with a 120 horsepower Kohler engine. Its robust undercarriage, featuring high-profile rubber tracks, allows for operation on steep slopes. In up to 55 degrees, the RCU 120 dual hydraulic system and wireless remote control with a 4.3-inch display ensure efficient and safe operation. This versatile carrier can be equipped with various attachments such as forestry mulchers, stump cutters, and stone crushers, making it suitable for a wide range of applications including land clearing, road building. The Rotti N21 is a powerful forwarder, equipped with a 227 kW John Deere engine and a hydrostatic mechanical transmission. It boasts a 13.61-meter length, 3-meter width, and 3.668-meter height, providing ample space and stability. The forwarder features a ROTTNE RK250 crane with a maximum horizontal reach of 11 meters and a boom, lifting torque of 230 Nm, ensuring efficient timber handling. A load-sensing hydraulic system, but with double pumps enhances performance, while a 24-volt electrical system with CAN bus technology facilitates advanced machine control. The spacious and comfortable cab offers excellent visibility. The Tigercat C640 is a powerful skidder designed for efficient timber harvesting. In challenging environments, it is equipped with a Tier 4F compliant FPTN67 engine that delivers 262 horsepower. The C640 features a spacious and comfortable cab with excellent visibility, ensuring operator comfort and productivity. The skidder is equipped with a high-capacity clam grapple and a powerful winch, enabling it to handle large loads over long distances. Its 6-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability. Even in challenging terrain, the C640 also incorporates advanced features, such as a load-sensing hydraulic system and a sophisticated electronic control system.